In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a credit card payment in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential task for anyone managing business finances, ensuring that your records are up to date and your financial reports accurately reflect your spending. So, let's walk through the process step by step together. First, before we dive in, make sure you have your QuickBooks Online account ready. Head over to the QuickBooks Online login page and click on Sign In. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so go ahead and type in your username and password. Once you've done that, click Continue to get into your dashboard. Remember, having a secure password is crucial to protect your financial information, so always ensure it's both strong and memorable. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to locate the New button. You'll find this option quite conveniently placed in the navigation menu. Clicking on New will present a drop-down menu with several transaction types. The one we're interested in today is labelled Credit Card Credit. Select Credit Card Credit from the list. This is pivotal because it tells QuickBooks that you are recording a payment made using a credit card, ensuring your accounts reflect this correctly. With the Credit Card Credit form open, the first thing you'll need to do is add the payee. The payee is simply the person or business you paid. This could be a vendor or a service provider. Accurately entering this information helps in tracking your transactions and will be helpful for future reference or audits. If the payee doesn't already exist in your QuickBooks database, you can add a new one on the spot. Next, you'll need to specify the bank or credit account used for this payment. QuickBooks will show you a list of all accounts you've set up. Choose the appropriate credit card or bank account from which the payment was made. Assigning the correct account is vital for maintaining an accurate representation of your financial position. Moving forward, enter the payment date. The payment date is when the transaction took place, so make sure it's accurate. You can easily select the date by either typing it in or using the calendar feature provided in QuickBooks. Now it's time to categorize the expense. Using categories helps organize your expenses into specific areas, making it simpler to analyze where your money is going. Select the category that best describes the payment, whether it's office supplies, travel, or any other business expense. Finally, after reviewing all the details for accuracy, click on Save and Close. This will save all your input and close the transaction window, effectively updating your accounts with the new credit card payment information. And that's it, you've successfully recorded a credit card payment in QuickBooks Online. Regular updates like these keep your financial records clean and precise, making future bookkeeping tasks and end-of-year reporting much smoother. Thanks for following along, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. See you in the next tutorial.